Start your computations.
To prep my face, I'm using the Emina Pore Ranger Primer. Not only to prep my face, but this primer also helps to blur out my pores and fine lines. I'm putting it on my face and my neck. For the base, I'm using Pixi Make It Glow Dewy Cushion in shade Light Beige or number 101. I'm applying it to my face, neck, and ears with a damp sponge.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe. Using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in shade Light, I'm going to conceal certain areas such as my under eye and places that have acne scars to create like a blank canvas. I'm not using a lot of product because a little bit goes along the way. By the way, I'm blending it with the tip of my makeup sponge. I'm using my new Holy Grail product for powder, which is Funbo Acne Solution Loose Powder in shade Invisible to set my whole face, especially my T-zone because it can be a little bit oily. This powder, let me tell you, it can make my base even look more flawless. Like, I just love this product so freaking much. Oh, by the way, I'm using my powder brush to apply it on my face and neck. Moving on to the eye proportion, I'm going to set my eyelids first with Mizu Eye Base Essentials. I apply it on both my eyelids and blend it out with my finger. I'm using Pixi Twin Blush in shade Neon Orange as my base color for my eyeshadow. I apply and blend it with my finger. I'm going to use eyeshadows from Aikimuse Mr. Cat Eyeshadow Palette. First, I'm going to set my base color with the color Stretch and pack it all over my eyelid. Then, with Rome, which is a yellow eyeshadow, I'm applying it all over my eyelid with a blending brush to make my base color more orange. Because apparently the Pixi Twin Blush in Neon Orange is a little bit pink on my skin. With Encounter, which is a dark orange, I'm applying it with the same blending brush and focusing it on my upper part of my eyelid. I'm using the yellow eyeshadow again to buff out the harsh edges and create a gradient. I also bring it to the inner corner of the eye.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe. Then I put it again all over my eyelid because I want it to be more orange. I'm mixing Encounter and Predator, which are dark orange and brown, and apply it on my lower lash line with a small, dense brush. Then I buff it out with Rome. I'm using a blending brush for this. I'm using this beautiful gold shimmer territory to give more life to the eyes and apply it on my lower until middle part of my eyelid. I'm using a small, flat brush for this. And last but not least, I'm using gaze to spice up my inner corner. You know, trying to create a beautiful, blinding inner corner. I also bring this to my upper and lower part of my eyes. With Maybelline Hyper Sharp Power Black Eyeliner, I'm creating a line and tightline my upper lash line. That's a lot of line, so you will not see the gap when I use my fake lashes.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe. For lashes, I'm using Mesa lashes in Salsa. I put a glue on it and put it on my eyes with a tweezer. I'm using Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara and apply it on my upper and lower lashes. For eyebrows, I'm using Maybelline Define and Blend Brow Pencil in Gray Brown. I basically just fill in the blank spots or just hollow areas on the tail of my eyebrows. And then I brush it with a spoolie so it looks natural. For blush, I'm using Pixie Twin Blush in Neon Orange. I dab my sponge onto the product and transfer it to my cheekbone. I also bring it across my nose. Then I also put Rome in Encounter, but unfortunately I don't have the clip. Using Hunting and Small Angled Brush, I'm adding fake freckles with different opacity and blend those with fingers so it looks more natural. I'm creating more depth with O2O Contour Palette in 02 and I'm using the matte contour, which is the second color from the right. I'm applying it to my lower part of my cheekbone, my forehead, and my jawline with an angled brush. I'm using iMagic Face and Body Paint in white to draw the base of my orange drawing. I'm using a flat brush and stamp it on my cheek, trying to create a circle. I also draw the little stem and leaf. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm using Pixie Twin Blush in Neon Orange as the base of the color. I just gently tap it on the circle. Then, with Rome, I filled in the circle so the color is more orange. Then I use Encounter to create more definition or depth. I also filled in the leaf and stem with some color. To add more glow to the face, I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in Precious Petals. You can do this step before drawing the orange too. I'm adding highlight to the high points in my face such as my cheekbones and nose. With eyeliner, I'm creating an outline to my oranges drawing. And yeah, the line is a little bit wonky, but don't worry because I still can fix it later on. I also add little dots and highlight with my face paint so it has some texture and definition. And finally, the lips. I'm using Wardah exclusive lipstick in number 31, which is Rosewood. Then, with the yellow eyeshadow, I tap it all over my lips so it will be, you guessed it, more orange. Last but definitely not least, I'm using Hunting and a small angle brush to outline my lips. And there you go, a cute orange makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like if you do and subscribe for more content like this. That's it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye!